how to view and save passwords in Microsoft Edge.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Edge, and on the top right, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and there tap on the settings icon. Now, under profile, scroll down and you'll see passwords option right there. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to see the passwords that you have saved. Now, if you want to add a new password, you'll see add option right there. Tap on the plus sign, and then you can add the website name, your username, password, category, and notes, and hit save, and it will be saved right here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.